little pencil case here. The original video had to be taken down. There was an issue with the music. I'm working with Soundsripe to try to figure that out, get that one back up. But in the meantime, I wanted to do a quick tutorial just to walk you through this, just explain what you're going to be doing. If you get the kit, it'll have these little tick marks cut out. Basically just the bottom edge anyways. But that tick mark is to line up this little piece here, right on the center of that tick mark. And you're going to start sewing around so you can hide that knot in there. You'll start somewhere in here, all the way around, and when you get up to here, this piece will be sewn on. I like to give it a little bend so it lines up a little bit better. You sew around that piece and back down. That way, once it's all sewn together, this will fold down, go underneath that flap with that, and that kind of holds it on.